Best fitness tips for beginners at home. Starting your fitness journey at home is one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your health and build a strong body. You don't need expensive equipment or a gym membership, just simple habits, consistency, and the right approach can help you achieve great results. For beginners, the most important step is to start simple. Basic exercises like squats, push-ups, lunges, planks, and jumping jacks are highly effective and require no equipment. These movements help improve strength, flexibility, and endurance while targeting multiple muscle groups. Creating a daily routine is essential for success. Try to dedicate at least 20 to 30 minutes each day to exercise. Consistency matters more than intensity, especially for beginners. Starting with light workouts and gradually increasing the difficulty will help your body adapt and prevent injuries. Cardio exercises are also important for improving heart health and burning cal.